Why Turnkey Flow is the fastest way to go from stuck to set up an online business. If you ever felt stuck trying to make money online, like you want something different, but you don't know where to start, this video is for you. And I don't mean kind of stuck. I mean overwhelmed by options, tired of watching everyone else win, saving posts, courses, videos, but not moving forward. If that's you, I want you to know something right away. You are not behind. You are not lazy. You are not incapable. You've just been missing one thing, a clear starting point. And today I want to talk to you about why Turnkey Flow is the fastest way I've seen for everyday people to go from stuck to set up an online business. Not someday, not after months of figuring it out, but actually set up with something real. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's talk. The real reason people feel stuck. Let's get honest for a second. Most people who want to make money online don't fail because they aren't motivated. They fail because they're drowning in too many choices. Think about it. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, coaching, Amazon FBA, Etsy, printables, courses, crypto, AI, social media, YouTube, email marketing. Everyone online is shouting, do this. No, do this instead. This is dead. This is the future. And eventually your brain just shuts down. You stop taking action, not because you don't want success, but because you don't know which move is the right one. That's where most people get stuck. Not at effort, not at belief, but at direction. The what do I even sell problem. Here's the question that stops almost everyone. What do I sell? Because once you realize I need traffic, I need content, I need an audience, you hit the next wall. But I don't have anything to offer. So you think, I'll create something later. I'll learn first. I'll wait until I'm more confident. And months pass, sometimes years. Turnkey Flow removes that entire problem. Inside Turnkey Flow, you're not just learning about online business. You're stepping into one. You get a real digital product, something people already want, something you can sell immediately, and you keep 100% of the profit. That alone eliminates one of the biggest reasons people never start. You're not building in theory, you're building in reality. From information to implementation. Here's something nobody talks about enough. Information does not change lives. Implementation does. You can watch videos all day, read posts, take notes, but until you set up something, put something out, make a real offer, nothing changes. What makes Turnkey Flow different is that it's not just education. It's applied learning. You're encouraged to go through it, use it, set it up, talk about it, and share your journey. You're learning while doing. That's why people feel momentum fast. You're not waiting for someday. You're creating a new normal. The power of community and mentorship. Let's talk about something that quietly determines success more than talent. Environment. Trying to build online alone is exhausting. And you start doubting yourself, second guessing every move, wondering if it's even possible for you. Inside Turnkey Flow, you're not alone. You're surrounded by people starting exactly where you are, people a few steps ahead, people actively making sales, mentorship that keeps you grounded. That changes everything. Because when you see if they can do it, maybe I can too, confidence grows, consistency grows, action becomes easier. This is where stuck turns into belief. Why setup matters more than perfect. Here's a truth that will free you. You do not need to be perfect to make money online. You need to be set up. A system, a product, a message, a path. Turnkey Flow gives you that setup. And once you're set up, you can improve, you can grow, you can refine. But you can't refine what doesn't exist. Most people are waiting to feel ready. Turnkey Flow helps you move before confidence, and confidence follows. Flexible payment options. Now, let me say this clearly because this matters. If cost has been the thing that's been holding you back, I want you to know there are flexible payment plan options available through Turnkey Flow. You do not have to have everything figured out. You do not have to wait for someday. There are ways to get started without financial pressure, so you can focus on learning, setting up, and building momentum instead of stressing. This is about access, about opportunity, about giving yourself permission to start where you are. My final call to action. So if you're still here watching this, let me ask you something honestly. How long are you going to stay stuck just because you haven't been given a clear starting point? You don't need another free video. You don't need more inspiration. You don't need to wait. You need a setup. If you're ready to go from overwhelmed to clear, from curious to confident, from watching to building, then Turnkey Flow might be the move that changes everything. Check the link below, explore Turnkey Flow, look at the Turnkey Flow payment options, and give yourself the green light. You don't have to do this alone. You just have to start. I'll see you on the other side.